You want a program that's really simple to use, that's not harsh on your lawn, and it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's easy. Today we have something really cool to show you. So we're going to start doing the system to treat the lawn. All natural. You ever have a point where you say to yourself, maybe I should go to one of these companies where they have the spray in a bag, and you say, man, it would be so easy if I just had all the things pre-done and I sprayed it on the lawn. Well, I think I got a plan for you, and I think I have it with really good products. Let me show you what I got put together. Let me show you what I got in the garage. Let's go. My plan is, and it's pretty good, and we were lucky enough to have the GS products send us some stuff to make a perfect plan for the whole season. Now what I want to do is I want to number each and every item and give an easy application, give an easy plan that makes it easy for everybody to do. So let me show you something. I got this from Staples, a simple dry erase board. I wrote the month on it and the applications, and I'll show you up here the whole year's applications. It's pretty simple. The applications are only really 2 or 3 times a month, so it's every other week, and you spray it on the lawn. Now we have different products that do different things, but there's not that many products, and you can get through the whole year with these products in front of you. Now we're going to talk a lot of times, so you need to measure out your lawn, and I'll give you the website to go measure out your lawn. I'll put a link below, and you click on it and you lay out your lawn and you find out your square footage, because it's very, very important. Then you can buy the amount of additives that help your lawn. This is a healthy alternative to the box store, and I guarantee you're going to get better results. I got really good results last year. I was so excited. I called them and I told them, listen, I want to do your plan all year long. I want to use only your products and see how it goes. Last year I did the same thing, and this is going to be my main feed for my lawns. There's not going to be any harsh chemicals, nothing. So this is what we're going with. This year has been very strong so far. The root system was good from last year, and the grass has picked up naturally. We're going to label each product, and I'm going to put a list up there of products that I'm using and then what I did. So here we go. We're going to put, fish and kelp right here. We're going to make number 1. Right? Humic acid right here, number 2. We're going to do root ruckus right here, number 3. We're going to do organic kelp seaweed, which is right here. And we're going to turn it this way, and we're going to go number 4. Now, the plan is not to worry about what it's called anymore, because we already built the plan. We're going to put it on the calendar when to apply. So what I did is I wrote April 11th and 25th. Today's April 11th, and this could apply. You could jump in on this plan anytime you want. This plan, the listed plan will be the next progression. So if you jump in the middle, it's fine. Just keep doing what it says. So what this is I'll do on the 11th. Now this is for 1,000 square feet. So when you measure it, just times it by how many thousand square feet you have. I need 1, 2, and 5. 1, 3 ounces, 2, 2 ounces, and 5, 1 gram, because this is by grams. This is a powder. You got to dilute this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pre-make 1 in here. So I know I have 6,000 square feet, right? So for 6,000 square feet, I have it right here. So 1 is going to be 18 ounces. So a half of this, number 1, we'll fill that up, and so on, and the same thing. So now you go, we need 1, 2, and 5. So 1 and 2 and 5 for the first application. So I'm going to fill up 1 to the amount I need. You could pre-measure it and put it in a separate container like this, but don't mix it together thinking you're going to put both of these together. It kills it. What I do is I already did a test, and I do about a tank in the front and a tank in the back, which is 4 gallons. So that brings up another question. What do you use to spray it down? Now, it's about how advanced you want to really get. Now, you don't have to. This product does not have to be sprayed down. It doesn't know how it got on the grass. It has to be put on the lawn in volume to the amount that you have pre-measured. So it has to get out there nice and evenly. So if you put it with this, it makes it really easy. This is a great unit. I've used this many times. This is the Typhoon 3. I'll list it below. A little more expensive. This is kind of high end. Works amazing. If you want to go a little bit lower, they have the Zephyr. This is pretty cool too. This is, I think, under $300 you can buy one of these. So I didn't put this together yet. We're going to do a review on this, but this has no adjustments. So you set your water, you run it out, and now you know how much it burns out. Then you could kind of adjust it for what you're going to mix into it, if that makes sense. So this is a good product, though. If you want to get under $300, you could get one of these, and this will solve all your spraying needs. Okay. Now, if you're one of those people that love the Sunday lawn mixes or something super easy to put out, this isn't bad either. So if you have these filled up and you needed one of these and one of these already to the amount we're going to fill it to, and I'm going to show you, we're going to do it together. Then you would pour it half in here for the front lawn and half in here for the back lawn and split it up evenly. So that's another route. So this is a really inexpensive route, and you just connect this to your hose, you spray it on, you get it nice and even. And what I do with this one is I set it at a very low setting. I would set this at like around the 6 ounce and then spray it out. You could even try to put water in here and spray it out to test how much it gets, how much you could actually put down before you run out. You could do that too, to kind of judge where this one is. So when you do this part, you probably want to get a 5-gallon bucket. I know it says that you should mix a little bit more water, but 5 gallons will be plenty with this. So, and then you get a scale like this, and I'll link one of these scales. It probably won't be the identical one, but pretty similar. If I can, I'll get the identical one on the link. I've had this a long time. But when you put it down, you go like this, and you tear it. Look, see right here? See how it has weight when you do the weight? Just tear it out and make it say 0. I turned it off. Sorry. And we teared it out, right? And now this will be negative for the weight of that. We want 6 grams of this in there. So it's got units, so you make sure you're on the right unit. And then we're going to pour this in until it says 6 grams. There's 3. Doesn't use much, huh? Look at that, 6 grams, 6 to 8, 6, 7, 8, it's fine. For 6,000 square feet. So it's not an awful lot, but what it does, it makes the soil slip a lot better. So we're going to put this in here, and we're going to go and fill this up with water, and then we're going to mix this up, okay? This is all natural, too. This is not soap, which I got a lot of criticism because I like to use soap a lot in the lawn, so I wound up getting this and reaching out to them, and they said this is the best. So what we have is the 2 pre-measured. Okay, so we got the 2 pre-measured for the month. So I have to put this down, and that mixed in 5 gallons of water on this lawn. So it's the beginning of the season, so I don't even have my hose on. I just turned it on. Let's go see. We need 5 gallons of water for the first mix. So I put the powder in there. I'm just going to mix it in. And with this almost looks like a soap, don't it?
It does.
we'll use this to mix it up with a drill. These are very inexpensive and they're great. I don't like to do this in my sprayer because it can knock the valve off, but this is fine in here. See? So what I'm gonna do is, because I poured all the powder into the one, I'm gonna split it into two, front and backyard. Okay? And we want about half of this because I have the same size yard front and back. So we're gonna pour this in. This is just a split on the applications. See? Half. And then this is half. Okay, smells really, really good. Now what you do is you look on the chart for the next application, and we're gonna fill this before we get to it. So when you come home and you wanna do your application, it's already made. And this is number 2. So we split it front and back because I have the same size property. You might not be able to do this, but I can because my one in the back is the same as the front. And there's a little teeny bit in there, teeny bit in there. So now this is the brew for this application, 100% done, right? And I'm gonna mix them up. And now you don't have to worry about the amount of water in here because we're gonna fill it in a tank, right? Because I know I can get through the whole front lawn with one tank because I already tested it. This is a nice brew. It smells natural. At least it doesn't smell like a whole bunch of chemicals. It smells like a compost mix. What this does, it doesn't splash too much, see? Get it in there and make like a whirlpool out of it. It mixes very, very fast. Don't worry about it.
It doesn't even smell bad.
It smells real though. You can smell it. It smells like a compost mix. So now I got front and back lawn mixed, and then you'll put it in the sprayer. Now I have to get that much on the front and that much on the complete back. So if I want to split it into 2 tanks and do half and half on the front, I'm fine. But this would be one and that would be the other. So this is like my system, right? We pre-thought it out. We get a plan. I have a plan through the whole year with exactly what I need, and I'll post it up here where you can see it. I bought everything I need to keep this lawn healthy, other than problems. If you come up with a problem like a fungus or something, I understand you have to put a fungicide down. I get it. But this should be the basic plan. This is the same plan to get your lawn healthy for a whole year. One shot, you could figure it all out. You don't have to think all year long. Just do it by the schedule, and it's going to be great. Good rule of thumb is not to pour it on the back plate, or else you're going to have to wear it. Now don't forget, this has to go on the front lawn, even if I leave just a little in here, in case I run out. Try to split it in half to half, because you know you'll have the same density, all right? I'll leave that in there. And then we're gonna fill this with water, spray half the lawn, come back, fill it again, spray out the rest. Okay, let's go get some water. Well, this is another thing. This time of the year, you don't have to worry so much about the sun blazing on the lawn. It's easy to put it on. That whole thing, waking up early in the morning to the morning dew and spraying all that, this doesn't really apply when it's not that hot out. It's nice and nice out. It's not too hot, so it's easy to apply. I'm gonna have to do this twice. So I got to adjust the speeds in this sprayer. It's not like the other one. I showed you 2 sprayers. And the thing is this one has adjustable speeds because it has adjustable pressure. And you'll see I'll adjust it to get a nice walk. I like to walk kind of fast, so we'll get this thing going. The other one has 1 setting, which is really nice. And the reason I think it's nice is after you figure it out, it's the same all the time. And it's a little less expensive. But this is how you put it on. So you put it on the bench, no weight at all. Get your straps. This is safe this way. Get your straps hooked up. Get the waistband hooked up. See the waistband right here? It's good to hook this up. And you make sure it's from the winter, you fit. Just line it up with the stripes and get going. You can see where you walked on it. I would normally say we're waking it up, but to be quite honest with the way we had our winter, as harsh as it was, this thing's gonna wake the whole year. Must be the ryegrass. So keep in mind, these products were used all last year, and this is the results you get coming out of the winter. This won't hurt the plants either. It's all good. It's gonna wake them up. All natural. You don't have to worry about getting it on you a little bit. Always use PPE to protect your skin because it could burn, but it's not harmful. It's not crazy bad for you. Got a little nitrogen in it, so try not to squirt down the plants too much. Always go a little heavy here for the domination line. So, the last thing you want to do, we're going to do the backyard with the same process. You don't need to see me doing the spraying, that's fine. The whole idea is to keep this as simple as possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one. Joanna was nice enough to go get me another Tupperware so I could lock it. So what I'm going to do is put in my amount I need for the next application in here. I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to weigh it out. I'm going to put the 2 amounts that I need in here for the next time. And that's going to be ready to go. And that will be in the plan. So the next time I come out here, I'm going to take out the 2 5-gallon buckets. I'm going to put in half in both. I'm going to put water in them, mix them up, shoot the front lawn and the back lawn all done. That way now you have excellent products with a really simple system, and do that through the year. So follow the plan that I have, and I think you're going to get a really nice strong lawn for the whole year. If you see any problems that come up in between the year, feel free to go into another product just to keep it up. But don't forget, this is for soil and getting everything nice and rich and easy to grow. You don't have to stop this because you put something else down. Just don't put down a ton of nitrogen for no reason. You're not going to need it. This is going to help you out throughout the year. All right, thank you very much. I'm going to go through each and every one of these products through the year, go a little bit in depth in each one. This is pretty much an overall idea of how we're going to run the plan this year. And I appreciate every one of you. Do me a favor, like and subscribe, because we're going to be talking about each and every one of these through the year, and you'll be able to see the progress. It'll be real important. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.